Cardi B tweet Offset, you a B.A. N-word, and trust me, I'ma effing take it there. And members will try you when you at your lowest and most vulnerable time. You out here feeling yourself, but trust me, the tables turn. Now, in my previous video, I reported that Daily Mail had pictures and videos of Offset out with model London Perry at Kanye West's listening party. Not sure if that's what made Cardi B very upset, but she was not done with Offset. She took to IG Live and started going off even more.
He likes to play games with me because he knows I'm not an easy girl. He knows yesterday I could have been out, I could have been chilling, I could have been this and that. He knows I'm in my house. He knows that I'm chilling. He knows I'm not doing the most. I've really been sparing you. You've been fucking feeling yourself, you bitch ass nigga, because of your bitch ass album and shit. And you really been fucking doing me dirty after so many fucking years that I motherfucking helped your ass. Not even a fucking thank you that I got for your bitch ass. And it's so crazy that I gotta go to the fucking internet because whenever I tell you something, you don't take shit seriously. And I'm so tired of it.